Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. So inshallah ta'ala, in this video we will practice reading and writing in the Arabic language. This video is for beginners who want to start learning the Arabic language from the scratch. Okay, so let's get started with the first letter. What do we call this letter in Arabic? Very good job. The letter C, we put fatha, sa. Excellent. The next letter, what do we call this letter in Arabic? Jim. Very good. We put fatha, ja. And then, what do we call this letter in Arabic? The letter dal. Very good. We put fatha, da. Very good job. Now we will try to connect those letters together. Okay, the letter C in the beginning. We put fatha, sa. And then the next letter, which is the letter Jim. We put fatha, ja. Sa, ja. And then the last letter, the letter dal. We put fatha, da. Sa, ja, da. Sajada. Very good job. He prostrated. This is the meaning of this word. He prostrated. Okay, sajada. He prostrated. Okay, very good job. So we come to the end of this video. Hope you like it, and see you inshallah ta'ala in the next videos. Goodbye. مع السلامة.